right, welcome to the Neuralink product demo. I'm really excited to show you what we've got. I think it's gonna blow your...
Elon Musk has another passion project called Neuralink. The CEO of Tesla yesterday showcased what and how Neuralink to use AI to make a difference in the world. Neuralink, which aims to build a scalable implant to connect human brains with computers, and plans to test its brain-machine interface in humans within 2 years, with a long-term goal of people merging with AI.
So I want to emphasize the purpose of Neuralink. Like, what's our goal? Our goal is to solve important spine and brain problems with a seamlessly implanted device. So you want to have a device that you can basically put in your head and feel and look totally normal, but it solves some important problem in your brain or spine. And the reality is that almost everyone over time will develop brain and spine problems. These range from minor to very severe, but if you live long enough, everyone's going to basically have some kind of neurological.
Automated surgical tools and a robot about the size of 2 stacked washing machines would remove a portion of your skull, making room for a link to be installed. Needles guided by brain scanning sensors, then insert the link's 5-micron thin connectors about 6 mm about 0.24 inches into your brain. For comparison, human hair is about 75 microns thick. The link itself is the size of a large coin and would replace the piece of skull that was removed in order for it to be installed. Surgery is bloodless, Musk said, because sensors guide the cutting blades, so they avoid blood vessels, counting Forbes. One of the ability it can make is to call your car wirelessly using just your thought, Musk said. It will connect to your phone and you can do anything to it, just like interacting with its interface, like calling, playing music with using the link as technology matures. It also has megabit wireless data transmission after compression, plus all the sensors you'd expect to see in a smartwatch, count from Forbes. In fact, you can have multiple links in your head, Musk said. And, because it's relatively easy to remove and replace, one pig showed installed link and removed it with nothing side effects or whatsoever. You can remove upgrade a link anytime. You want a device you can put in your head and look and feel totally normal, but it solves some important problem in your brain or spine, Musk said in his Neuralink presentation today.
Does it actually work? And what I'm excited to show you, I call it like the 3 little pigs demo, and if our and we'll have this, we're bringing out the pigs.
The reality is that almost everyone over time will develop brain and spine problems. These range from minor to very severe, but if you live long enough, basically everyone's going to have some neurological disorder. Count from Forbes. That includes memory loss, brain damage, blindness, paralysis, depression, insomnia, extreme pain, seizure, anxiety, addiction, and strokes, Musk said. Neurons are like wiring, Elon Musk says.
It's a high energy pig. Alright, Gertrude, thanks for coming out. So what the beeps you're hearing are real-time signals from the Neuralink in Gertrude's head. So this Neuralink connects to neurons that are in her snout. So whenever she snuffles around and touches something with her snout, that sends out neural spikes, which are detected here.
And you kinda need an electronic thing to solve an electronic problem. But hinted that it wouldn't be that expensive to buy. Please like and subscribe for more knowledge-matic news.